right, you guys. Remember I had the sweet peppers over here. Now I planted the new sweet peppers in their spot where they were. These are the ones that I had with the seeds. So I added those seeds, mixture of orange, yellow, and red bell peppers over there. And here are the other sweet peppers that were just in the smaller container. And I just moved it over to a bigger one. See, and kind of spreaded it out a little bit with a little bit of love, not to tear the roots up too much, but repotted those so they can have more room to grow. Just look at them, they're so beautiful. And my Brussels sprouts still there, still two. And then we have our spinach over here. Got a new extra leaf on there, down there in the middle. And we have my other lettuce here, and my cilantro, basil, tomatoes. Okay, but here's my other lettuce. It's doing very nicely too, so I'm gonna have to move this to a bigger pot soon too. But isn't it pretty? Oh, I just love it. Alrighty, I've got my sweet potatoes over here. Just watered those. Got my green beans over here, still looking lovely. And let's see, I've got my other collard greens here that I just repotted those. These are brand new ones that I just got from Home Depot the other day. So you guys stay tuned for more updates of Mommasoulkitchen garden and Ladybug. I think it's gonna be my little mascot. She's so cute.